Hey, Mark here from Jotform. In this video, I'll show you how to choose which day your appointment calendar starts on, Sunday or Monday. From Form Elements, drag and drop the appointment element onto your form. Click the gear icon on the appointment field to open its properties. Go to the Advanced tab under Appointment Properties, find the Start Week On setting, select whether you'd like the week to begin on Sunday or Monday. The calendar will automatically update to reflect your selected start day. Preview your form to see how the updated calendar appears to users. And that's it! Your appointment calendar now reflects your preferred weekly layout. Thanks for watching, explore more Jotform appointment features, and we'll see you in the next video.